This is my honest review of the Neewer Bi-Color 660 lights and stands. These are very good lights for video photography. I love them. There's places here for battery if you need to use them on remote sites where you won't have power. You can check out, I have a review on the battery charger and batteries also. And this is where you plug in your power. And this is where you turn on if you're going to use AC power. And this is where you turn on to go for battery, which we don't have the batteries in. But I do have just a generic bell there. And you can see, you can turn the colors. You can make it very bright. You can make it yellow. Or you can make it dimmer, but you can see, as you can see, you can really you can bring that, whatever it is that you're taking, you can really bring that to any kind of conclusion or light that you want to. And I'll bring it, but I love this. It comes in a 2-pack. Comes with stands, and you can buy gels for the front of it, which I actually have too. I love these lights. I use them constantly for product reviews. I use them for videos with my family. I use them all the time. I highly recommend them.